Hello everyone, welcome to Z Lessons. In today's video, we are going to be solving the 2024 Paper 1 External exam for the grade 9s. Okay, this is a question 16, and question 16 reads as follows: convert 3.125 to a number in base 2. And this question carries how many marks? 2 marks. So this is how we are gonna solve this question. If you look at this problem, let me just write it as so. Let me just write a solution. Okay, if you look at this problem, you are able to see this number here, 3.125. Now, this number has this part here, the whole number part, and it has this fractional part, this number after the decimal point. So we need to convert these numbers separately. So we are going to first of all begin with converting this 3, which is a whole number, into base 2. So how do we do that? Let me put it as step 1. So step 1, we write 3 in bicimal, as we like to call it, bicimal. So how do we do that? We repeatedly divide 2 into 3, like so. So what is 2 into 3? 2 into 3 is 1. Remainder, a 1. So we write the remainder like so. Okay, so now we get this 1 here and divide it also by 2. What is 2 into 1? 2 into 1 is 0. So we write a 0. Remainder, the same number that we wanted to divide 2 into 1. So now, these remainders are the answers. So we write them from bottom all the way to the top. Okay? So therefore, 3 base 10 is equal to 1 base 2. So that was step 1. Now let us look at step 2. Step 2, I'm going to write here and indicate step 2. Step 2, we write 0.125 in bicimal. Okay, in bicimal. So how do we do that? Remember, here we were dividing the number repeatedly by 2. Here we have to multiply the number. We have to multiply this number here, this part, this decimal part, by 2. Let me show you by answering. So we have 0.125. Okay, we have already converted this 3 into base 2, as you can see here, only remaining this part. So this is the part that we are dealing with right now. So we have to multiply it repeatedly by 2 until the fractional part of the answer is 0. I'm going to show you what I mean real quick. Okay, so let me just do this so that we can do our computation here. So this is 0.125 multiplied by 2. Okay, what is 2 times 5? It is 10. So 0 carry 1. What is 2 times 2? 4 plus that 1, 5. What is 2 times 1? It is 2. And this is just 0.0. So we're only going to get this part here. This 0 is not significant, so it's going to be 0.25. Okay, so now until we have a 0 here, that's when we are going to end. So since we don't have a 0 here, let us continue. We're going to get this 0.25 and multiplied also by 2. What is 2 times 5? It's 10, so 0, remainder 1. 2 times 2, it's 4 plus that 1, 5. So it's 5 point, since there is a 0 here, 2 times 0, it's a 0. So we're going to have 0.25. So we're going to get this part. This 0 is not significant. So we're going to say 0.0, or should I say this part here, 0.25 multiplied by 2 equals 0.5. Since this part is not 0, we have to continue with our multiplication. So we're going to say 0.5 multiplied by 2. What is 2 times 5? It is 0. Remainder 1. 2 times 5, it's 10, I mean. So 0 remainder 1. 2 times 0, it's 0 plus that 1, it's 1. So now, as you can see, 0.5 multiplied by 2 equals 1.0. Now, since we have achieved the 0 here, the fractional part, we end our computation. Now, if you remember here, we were writing our answer from bottom top. Now here we are going to answer or write our answer from top to bottom. So 0, 0, 1. So it's going to be, let me just put therefore 0.125 is equals to, so which is, it was in base 10, it equals to 0, 0, 1. So 0, 0, 1 base 2. So therefore the final answer will be a combination of this and this. So let me just indicate final equals, I'm going to say 1.001 base 2. So that's our final answer.